Hi guys, welcome back to day 4, or welcome to day 4 of Vlogmas.
You better say that.
In this video I'm going to tell you a bit of what I'm doing with my channel in the new year, because in the new year I'm not really revamping it, just like changing up like majorly.
So revamping it. Channel overhaul.
Yeah, it's not really revamping because I haven't like stopped doing YouTube,
So the channel overhaul.
yeah. And Leland's is going to be in this video because he's bringing back his YouTube stuff in the new year as well.
Yes! Can't wait!
He hasn't actually set a specific like time in the new year, but he just knows it's going to be in the new year.
Yeah, I want to get a few things out of the way first.
As do I. So in the new year I'm going to start with gaming wise because that's like the easiest thing to talk about.
Okay, man, I'm listening to my
Okay. In the new year for gaming wise I'm going to be using a green screen. I got one video done already in advance. It was going to go
well in advance.
Yeah, because it was going to go up, but Leland said why not just like wait until
Wait until the new year, because
it'll look weird if like one video is green screen and then all the rest of them are like not. So yeah, for gaming wise I'm going to be using a green screen. We'll hopefully get a camera so he can do gaming videos with face cam as well, while me doing it as well.
Yeah, it'll look better, because then it'll be like my point of view and your point of view.
Yeah, if you don't watch Jelly Quackle Slogan Man videos, then yeah, that's pretty much
where we're getting the idea.
Yeah, where we're getting.
Thank you for that, by the way.
So yeah, next thing, reactions. So after New Year, hopefully I'll have a lot more time on my hands to sort of do more. So that's why I come up with the whole reaction TNT sort of thing. But no, up until Christmas, if there's not a reaction that's out on Tuesday, it'll be out on Thursday. So it gives me that bit more time to edit it, and because on Tuesdays I have to make on council and
make. Well, not all Tuesdays.
Well, not all Tuesdays, but
make it look all fancy and beautiful for all your 87 subscribers, which will hopefully go up by that.
So yeah, but after the New Year, because I'll have more time on my hands with other things, there's going to be still 2 reactions of Walking Dead on Tuesday.
Why not do a Tuesday, one on Tuesday and one on Thursday?
Because I want to get up to season 9 before it actually comes up. So
yeah, it will still be done. Two reactions of Walking Dead. Yeah, one on Tuesday and one on Thursdays. No.
No. So basically,
you know what I want about.
It's going to be.
Let's get him to do that.
There's going to be 2 on Tuesday, and hopefully either 1 or 2 on Thursday. And also bringing back like random reaction videos as well for like movie trailers and other random
crazy
reactions
stuff.
So all those random reactions will be on Thursday. So yeah, it'll be reaction Tuesdays and reaction Thursdays. Reaction TNTs.
Reaction TNTs. I love your little. You could have a little logo. Reaction TNTs and have a TNT on one side. TNT on the other.
What's next? Vlogs will still stay the same. I'll do vlogs like whenever, because there's not really much in my life I can actually vlog. Like doing a Vlogmas like series thing is
going
to be difficult, but it's something for me to do and keep trying to do it. So next time I do it, I think it'll be a little bit easier.
Thing is, you need to work on trying to figure out what the hell you're actually go record on Vlogmas.
Yeah.
Because otherwise, if you haven't got the ideas, then it's not going to.
I have some ideas, but obviously one I couldn't do today because I didn't have enough time or anything.
Why not do it tomorrow? Make your 87 subscribers like, oh, what's the word? Happy. I'm so happy. No, make them want to tune in. I don't know what the actual word for that is. Exciting, I guess.
So pretty much like what we are with like
Joe brings out a video.
yeah, like when Joe brings out a video or something.
Has he actually brought out a video or something?
He did this week, but I couldn't watch it because it like either got like taken down or something. But it's one with the family.
Yeah.
I think it's Watch Your Mouth. I think it was.
Oh, what?
I think.
Ah,
It was something with the family.
Don't be kidding.
Yeah, I know. So
Joe, if you're watching this, I'll put it again. Highly doubt he's watching it.
Yeah.
Extremely highly doubt he's watching it.
Hoovier Mondays. It probably won't be every week because
There isn't much you can do for the Mondays.
yeah.
With
So,
the exception of, you've got episodes and conspiracy theories, maybe?
theories, yeah, conspiracy theories.
But, like crazy ass band theories.
Yeah.
Kind of like I do with Star Wars.
Yeah.
Which has got like 80 odd.
Which I'll be doing at some point before Christmas, because hopefully I'll get all. Well, I would have watched all the Stranger Things by the end of before Christmas, hopefully, and then obviously it won't be uploaded until that actually goes up.
Do it in advance, pretty much.
Yeah, that's what I'm pretty much talking about.
Yeah, I know. That's what
So yeah, Hoovier Monday videos are just gonna come out whenever I can actually think of something. There's gonna be one today, hopefully. Saturday videos are gonna be videos that you guys have never seen, from me anyway. The videos that I haven't actually done before, so it's gonna.
What, for the new year?
Yeah, for New Year.
I feel you on what it is. Sorry.
No, this Saturday is.
I know what this Saturday is.
I'm not saying what this Saturday is.
You gotta tune in on Saturdays.
Yeah.
Saturdays are the greatest videos he's ever doing.
So.
It's not the one that gets him the most views or the most subscribers.
No, but it's the most enjoyable video to do.
Yeah.
So yeah, Saturday videos will be all a lot better done. I'm going to do a load in advance, which I used to do, but only like some certain videos I do in advance for Saturdays.
Are the ones that's going to take a long time to edit.
Yeah, like Say That Again and Mad Libs and.
Don't people on social media? What you used to do that?
I used to do those in advance, but I can just do those like. Apart from thinking of something to say about the dumb people.
Yeah, try not to swear at the same time.
Yeah, the Holocaust. Yeah, something about the Germans, Nazis, the gas chamber. Holocaust. Yeah, I think that's pretty much all it from my channel. I'm getting a new logo at some point. New intros. New music.
Are you actually going to have music in the background?
Yeah.
On your videos?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to get like the songs that Cop and all that uses in the background, but I don't know what they are.
I'll go away a song now, I'll show you later.
So yeah, that's pretty much it for my channel for the new year. Just like
literally a complete overhaul. It's like brand new stuff. Are you bringing back any stuff?
I don't know. I might, but
don't do predictions.
no, I won't be doing those. No, because they were just like they were fun at the beginning, but
towards the end.
It's just like boring. Yeah, because it's every 2 weeks now, or every 3 weeks, or whatever.
Yeah. It wouldn't be so bad if it was once a month.
Yeah. Like the last one we did was like wrestling music. 33.
With your channel, like, when will you be bringing out videos? Will you be bringing out like you used to do, like one every week, or
Sometimes 2 every week.
I don't know. I might have a specific day for a specific thing, like you do with your Friday Fridays and your reaction to these with the bomb tonight. I might do something like that, but I'm definitely going to be bringing out at least 1 or 2 videos a week.
Right, so you're not going to be like crazy ass busy like I am.
I'm not being crazy. Not until I've got everything that I need. So,
yeah, we're getting a new camera, hopefully, like I said, for my one. Yeah, so we can do videos.
hopefully get game capture as well, so we can record gameplay from our Xbox 360 and PSVs and all that. Because there's a lot of games that we want to do that's on those consoles that we can actually record.
Yeah.
Unless we get a camera just point at the TV.
Yeah, that'll be like...
That'd be really horribly done. So I might actually do like sort of like a Let's Play sort of a series with different games and record just a bunch of random gameplay videos. And yeah. pretty much. And then there's going to be like a couple of reaction videos I might do, but it depends on what's coming up. I'm not going to do any reactions to like movies or whatever because that's going to take too long to record. And
that's the only problem with me. I'd like to react to movies, but it just
it'll take
way too long.
And then there's I like react to like to movie trailers and basically programs, but it's not going to be like every week or whatever. It's just going to be like whenever there's something interesting, like a mid-series finale or whatever, or a finale, or a new first episode of a new season, etc., etc. But it's not going to be like Malcolm, where you're seeing it every week.
Yeah, every episode.
And also I'm going to be doing my game videos, my videos, GT and all that stuff. I might bring out some random, just free roam gaming videos or that sort of things.
That's another thing for me as well. I got one in mind.
But yeah, that's pretty much my channel overall. There we go. Hopefully in the new year, when I bring back my main channel with all my main videos and all that exciting stuff, I might actually bring out some random merchandise. Not so much actually to sell, but just create a t-shirt for myself so it make it look a little bit better. Kind of like what
that's what I'm going to do as well.
Get them,
Yeah. So, if you like this video, guys, and are excited for the new year, for what's to come on mine and Leland's channel, and give it a big old thumbs up, hit that like button. Comment down below if you have any suggestions or any ideas of what I could do for a Vlogmas video.
Yeah, please
just let me know. Share to your family and friends, and if you ever think you want to watch this video, and like always, if you're new, fist bump the hell out that subscribe button, because there are going to be a lot of awesome content to come in the near future.
And also don't forget to hit that notification bell right next to the little subscribe button. It will usually say if you're not subscribed, because it'll just say subscribe, so if you click on that as well, hit that notification bell so you know when he's uploading.
Ding 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 ding.
If you want to go over to my channel and subscribe, to help me out, that would be fantastic. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when I upload.
Dong 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 dong.
Ding 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 dong dong dong. And
so
stay tuned.
Yeah, I guess that's it. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.
Bye bye.